for my socks, so that way I can fix my socks well, because it's a real mess. So let's see how this is gonna work. Oh, let me show you guys my new boots. I got these boots in Burlington. They were on sale. These were $16.79. Look how cute, guys. Look how stinking cute. I love them. You can wear them with leggings. You can wear them with jeans. And then they're so comfortable too. I love the brown. Love the brown. Right? And I also got them in black. Let me show you the black ones. These were the same price also. Aren't they so cute, guys? I like them, and they're so comfortable too. So comfortable. Can't go wrong for that price. Let me show you the drawer. I also wanted to show you guys these boots. I got them in a thrift shop, and they were 20 bucks with 25% off, so that was $17.50. Look how cute, guys. They're so cute. I love them. And the reason why I did get these boots was because I have a matching leather jacket. Look how awesome, guys. Look at the color. What a perfect color. Isn't this cute? Let's try it on, right? Let's try on the jacket. It's kind of tight because I have a sweater. But, look how cute. You can zipper it up. You know? Look how cute. Look how sexy, too. So sexy. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. I just wanted to show you guys. When I go out, I will show you guys how I will put it together, you know?